You've worked hard to build a legacy. The real question is this: will your children actually understand it when you're gone? Only about 1/3 of American adults have any kind of estate plan in place, and nearly 3/4 don't even have a valid will. And when most people are asked why, the most common answer is simple: they just haven't gotten around to it. Here's why this matters so much. Without a plan, your wealth can end up in the wrong hands. State intestate laws decide who gets what, not you. Assets often have to go through a process called public probate, and that can take months or even years, and it's extremely costly. Meanwhile, your family may need to access that money right away. Probate costs alone can eat up a meaningful percentage of the estate, and the entire process is public record. Digital assets can disappear forever. We've already seen cases where people passed away with crypto keys worth millions that were never recovered. And taxes can be far higher than they needed to be. Family conflict tends to explode under stress. And yes, even pets can end up without clear care instructions. All of this happens far more easily than most people realize. And even if you do have a solid estate plan, it can still fall apart if your family doesn't understand it. Communication is everything. And I've seen beautifully drafted estate plans fail not because of bad investments or bad legal work, but because no one ever talked through what the plan actually meant or how it was supposed to be carried out. Families who hold structured family meetings on a regular basis consistently report fewer disputes and more trust. The plan works better when people understand it. If you want practical guidance like this to protect your family and your legacy, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. It helps more families find this information. Now, a family estate planning meeting isn't about numbers. It's about making sure your plan works the way that you intended. You want buy-in around principles, not dollar amounts. You can still be private about your wealth. Your heirs don't need to know everything, but there are certain things they do need to know in order to take care of you, your spouse, and each other. The meeting should feel collaborative, not confrontational. Focus on family values and long-term goals, especially in the first meeting. And remember, this isn't a lecture. You want input. You may hear things you didn't expect. The setting matters more than most people realize. Don't schedule this right around the holidays. Choose a neutral location if possible, like an advisor's office or a conference room. Remove all distractions, no phones, no multitasking, and as uncomfortable as it sounds, don't allow any toddlers or children. Get a babysitter if necessary. Zoom meetings are fine if everyone is focused, but keep the first meeting under 2 hours. And always schedule a follow-up before you leave. You should also have a clear agenda. Either you control the meeting or you have a trusted advisor facilitate it for you. The meeting usually starts with a simple explanation of purpose. We're here to talk about what matters most to our family. This is about values and intentions, not numbers. Make sure everyone knows where the key documents are stored: your will, powers of attorney, healthcare directives, trust documents, and don't put them in a safe deposit box. Explain what your healthcare wishes are. Discuss your vision for the family moving forward. Talk about core family values and any charitable intentions. Then provide a high-level overview of the plan. Who's the executor? Who are the trustees? Who holds financial and medical powers of attorney? Confirm that the people named are willing to serve. If you have minor children, confirm guardianship intentions clearly. Remember, if you do not name guardians in a will, the state does it for you. Next is an asset overview, not dollar amounts, just the structure. They need to know which accounts exist, how they're titled, and who the beneficiaries are, including contingent beneficiaries. This alone prevents a huge number of future problems. Then address any special situations, such as blended families, special needs beneficiaries, and charitable goals. You may also have family businesses or farms that need special attention. Talk through how fairness will be handled when assets are illiquid. For example, if one child receives a business and another needs cash, you also want to make sure that you ask for concerns. Then just stop talking and listen. Write their concerns down. Have someone take notes. Before ending, assign clear next steps and schedule the next meeting. One important lesson is that most families should not run this meeting themselves. A good financial planner can help facilitate the conversation, keep it productive, and prevent it from turning emotional. You weigh in when decisions are needed, but you do not need to resolve everything on the spot. Now, not every advisor is equipped for this. Some can be very transactional, stockbrokers, salespeople, and they're not trained facilitators. Look for someone who provides comprehensive planning and acts as a fiduciary, or an experienced estate attorney with strong interpersonal skills. Recording the meeting, or at least recording a summary afterward, can also be very helpful. It documents intent and can prevent disputes later. Now, emotions will come up. That is normal. If you're worried about sensitive topics, discuss them privately with your planner before the family meeting. Preparation helps parents present a united front and prevents anyone from feeling ambushed. After the meeting, documentation and follow-up matter. Write down key takeaways. Assign responsibilities. Set deadlines. Every 1 to 2 years, repeat the process even if nothing major has changed, because life changes anyway. Assets change, beneficiaries change, and finally, avoid the most common mistakes like putting all of this off until illness or crisis, oversharing dollar amounts, skipping follow-up, and trying to do all of this without professional guidance. Estate planning is a team effort. Your financial planner coordinates communication. Your attorney drafts documents. Your CPA helps manage tax implications. And my role as a financial planner is not to replace your attorney, it's to keep your family informed, organized, and aligned. If you haven't held a family estate planning meeting yet, now is the time. Schedule one after a major life change or make it an annual tradition. And if you want help preparing an agenda, facilitating conversation, updating beneficiaries, or coordinating with your attorney, click the link in the description. And if you would like a simple family meeting agenda and checklist, email our office using the link below. We'll send that to you at no cost. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more information just like this, and we'll see you in the next video.